अनीला बेटा।
हाँ जी मम्मी।
बेटा कुछ मेहमान आए हैं, थोड़ी सी चाय भिजवा देना।
चाय? अच्छा।
4 कप।
4 cups? No problem.
जल्दी।
So you've been asked to make chai. Now maybe you've never made chai before, or maybe your chai has not always been well received. Well, this week I am sharing the foolproof way to make a delicious cup of chai. And since Diwali is just around the corner, what better time than to perfect your chai skills? Because if your family is anything like mine, you will be serving up chai 5 to 6 times a day. A good cup of chai doesn't require a lot of ingredients, nor does it require a lot of time to prepare. Before you even get started, it is essential that you know in which cup you are going to serve your chai, because this is the cup that you're going to use to measure out both the milk and water. Next comes the tea itself, and loose leaf tea is preferable, but if you don't have that, you can certainly use tea bags. Next come the aromatics. You can use a chai masala powder, or you can use some fresh ingredients like I'm doing. Mint and ginger are my current favorites, but you can use cinnamon, clove, cardamom, whatever you like. And you'll need something to sweeten your chai. When measuring out the milk and water for your chai, you want to remember the simple phrase, half and half. For 1 cup of chai, you want half a cup of milk and half a cup of water. That means if you are making 4 cups of chai, you're going to use 2 cups of milk and 2 cups of water. And for a chai service at home, this is perfectly acceptable. This is not dhabe wali chai, which is often made in only milk, and no one is expecting you to do that. Once you've measured out the liquids, it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. I like to use half a teaspoon of loose leaf chai for each cup. Then add in the beautiful aromatics. I'm adding a small bunch of mint or pudina, and I'm grating in a 1-inch piece of ginger. If you want more of a kick, you can add more ginger. I've detailed some popular spice pairings down below, so if you would like to make a different type of chai, be sure to check the description. When it comes to sweetening the chai, I think it's best to start conservatively, that way people can individually adjust, or you can make fiki chai, which is chai without any sweetener whatsoever. Once you've assembled all of the ingredients, set your chai over not the highest heat, but a pretty high heat, and cover it up. And don't walk away. Keep an eye on your chai. And I know that they say a watched pot never boils, but we all know that scientifically it will boil, so just hang around. A chai that has boiled too long can also be really unpalatable. So once your chai has reached boiling point and it's been there for a couple of seconds, you can actually remove it from the gas and allow it to steep until it has achieved the color that you like. And you're looking for something that is a creamy, rich brown. At this point, strain your chai back into the cup in which you're going to drink it. It should come pretty close. If this is for your morning caffeine infusion, then kick back and enjoy your chai. If this is part of a tea service, then you might consider adding a couple of snacks to go with it. I'll be sharing a recipe for a classic dhokla in 2 weeks, so be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss that recipe. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Thank you for spending time with me, and I hope you found this video useful and instructive. I will see you very soon with another recipe. Bye-bye.